Keep your hands where I can see. Shots fired, shots fired.
On February 9, 2025, Reno police were hunting for Kakia Kapoa. Earlier that morning, he shot a woman in the nearby city of Sparks and fled the scene. He was armed and extremely dangerous. Once officers spotted his vehicle, a high-speed pursuit was underway.
Vehicles taking off high rate of speed, going southbound on Stooge Road. Museum 274, we are continuing southbound, passing 9th. Light traffic. It's swerving in and out of multiple vehicles. It's continuing southbound, passing 6th. No, go. He's holding something out the window.
Looks like a phone.
Pull in behind him.
Back down. It looks like he's continuing eastbound on Mills. It'll lead through the parking lot. Coming eastbound on Mills. It'll lead through the hospital parking lot. Okay, now westbound Bell passing. We're down again. Stay westbound on Bell. Museum 274, I'll take over radio. We are heading southbound on Kerman from Mill Street. Southbound Kerman from Mill Street.
240's got lead.
Heading eastbound Highland. Between 30 to 60. We are now heading westbound on Mill again. Doing circles. Could be westbound on Mill. He's calling into the Renown emergency.
God, I don't like that this is right here. There's a lot of hole. Get ready. Nope.
He's coming back around emergency.
Get ready. I got verbals. Keep your hands where I can see them. Keep your hands where I can see them, or else I will shoot you.
Tell him to come out or the dog will bite him.
Come out or the dog will bite you. Do you understand? Keep your hands where I can see. Shots fired.
Staring down a dozen officers in a dead-end parking lot and choosing to draw a weapon is a special level of reckless. He gambled his life on a losing hand and lost everything in a matter of seconds.
Reno Police, do not move! Reno Police, do not move!
I see the gun. Where? It's right on his left hand, right on the. Oh! I need gloves. Alright. Careful. I got you covered.
Can we get the keys out?
Fingers in the gun. Yep. It's in his right hand. Okay.
There's whose hands?
Okay, hold my side. Hold my side. Go. Give it up.
Come in and push up against the back side.
Alright, go.
Push him to your man. Tuck up there.
Here. Someone hold this?
I got it.
Inside the vehicle, investigators recovered a 9mm Glock 17, equipped with a 30-round extended magazine. Finding that kind of firepower in a hospital parking lot is a nightmare scenario for any law enforcement agency. Kakia Kapoa was pronounced deceased on February 15th, but the impact of his choices remains. Looking at this from a tactical perspective, the officers were forced into a corner. When a suspect has already shot a civilian and refuses to show his hands while holding a high-capacity weapon, the window for negotiation completely vanishes. Legally, the standard is based on what a reasonable officer would do in that exact moment to prevent a massacre. However, it raises a difficult question for all of us. When a suspect is clearly in a mental health crisis and looking for a way out, how can police balance the need for de-escalation with the immediate threat to innocent bystanders? We want to hear your thoughts on this. Was the risk to the hospital staff too great to wait any longer? Let us know in the comments below. If you value this kind of deep dive into the reality of police work, please subscribe to Blue Line Raw and join our community. We will see you in the next case.